Forest ayade pa in a pathway. But ade ba kwa say me catch on say Forest. Mutra enye ne. Matetim kwala me kama what na Spain. Even when your issue was Spain, me far flight by Spain.
Obi kasa mama afi na mo ba challenge no mo man nkasa ne enti mesra mo.
Don. Obi ni man 2 extra ticket man me call Spain.
Wow.
So why will you come and say back say guy no and offense ufa Uber? What? Eko ka asemu. Asema eko ka no. What public you know news no. Ebia ade ntesa ebia wako ka asem bia nte. Meanwhile so unu say cars na wo fie ono. Udi wo bi mu. Forest obi ni mo car. Say Forest is on him car. I would doubt ebe me hwanwa. Be obi nim will never reject. Even when obi kwa wo pe car was on the year discuss before answer omo the car kwa obi. So why will you come and stand in the public say unika alpha Uber? Omo yusu first G-Wagon. Me G-Wagon I know G-Wagon bro a white color. Is a Forest name.
Range Rover near the other. Me coffee or me fafio anymore.
G-Wagon. It's a Forest name. So why will you come and sit down and talk and disgrace Nipanasa? So the guy fought for you, stand for you. Me can't be bien so much wow. The guy suffered a lot.
Abusia information ya bebu ya proso edify papa Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinum ene meyi Florence Obinum ensense me no hono abusia enye asem ketwa na e kan say ade chi ade say nyina wo nsem no interest no ya na eye na ena me no e ka say Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinum lawyer ababe kasa abusia no dan chen ya se wo be kaya sofo savior ya na wo ye sofo Obinum ne sofo ketwa beto montin me bi say woni ne sofo ketwa ira kwakoda ene audios ababonte ya savior so ababe sa audios no ehun komo na busuan ya fa eno ento nchen ya Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinum lawyer ya wedi oye lawyer edema Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinum no beye emfie du enye no ana wo kasa na wo kire say Florence Obinum enhye da anya wo ba papa sa senya Ghana fo ehunu no na wo say ensem pa Kojo Obinum amne egu ni yem ewaware na se no enye ensem ketwa na se wo kasa wodi nyina e ba bonten a ka Ghana fo bogu say se bebe wo mo kono enye hokra na wo moko wo kire say Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinum enye ma bebre na waye ede ama na yere na ne ka wo ba ne kwa e ka se woni no no ye say oh se Florence mi ba bonten pa be ka se woni ka ne ho be ne won yie pa no kwa wo se asem ne ba wa Florence e bi sa Florence adent no timi ba bonten e be twa antrosa e de tu ni produce na busia emuaye a wo se Florence de ma no e no na se wo ti a wo ye mbehwe na me nye nsem no e kan famala na se so be ka no ho ne nyina ya ko ne ko tie nsem ye ko tie no ebe mi subscriber no so e de ma me e too much DH ya no wa kai say what the girl never can hosa no upload meeting for the first person ya won sabi kan
Obinum lawyer for 20 good years ni minim Florence any Obinum very well. I'm telling you the truth. Maybe I no kone Daniel Fanto Obinum, let me tell you 1 minute to watch it. If you don't know
me ba Mr. Samuel una Obinum lawyer.
Yes, my conversation I try to come in to explain things to you people.
Wow.
Let me tell you something.
Me bacho ene obi anye di yenya Obinum Bishop Obinum lawyer wa ha.
Let me tell you issue we happen. Anyene ekwa na ba ebi wa mba ebi wa kwa mba ebi wa mba social media omumienu then they solve it na ko. I'm telling you sir Florence first Florence was very nice, very good. Obinum supported Florence very well. And then because Gina baby na me who say Obinum Florence can say Onika or Uber. Sometimes I cry for it.
Oh.
Why would you until last I confront for like 3 days? I confront Florence. I don't know who be man anymore, sir.
Wow.
I say I sorry them say Wakasi. I tell them say no. And what's so kasa? You know the man how the guy supported you. How the man has supported you. So why will you say that? I'm not proud of say sorry. And I'm saying no. And the omati ewie. In fact, I'm not going to go be man anymore.
Wow.
I say honestly, sorry them. I say no. I say more kind. Who Forest? Who said ya? Ebi and you maybe will hurt me. Ebi will have be my Timmy Cassim. And you should have come down. Why do you go the stream say Say if you maybe blow your boy in the castle straw say.
Oh yeah, ben mention our casasa.
David Kasa we. Mami Kasa we. Share you maybe wo ha ba Forest et me minute doesn't know your ba no. Forest aya de pa in the pathway. But ade ba kwa say me catch on say Forest. Mutra enye ne. Matete nkwala nka ma kwot na Spain. Even unya issue was Spain. Me for flight ba Spain.
Only kasa before afina mo ba challenge no mo man nkasa ne ntie mesra mo.
Don. Obi ni man 2 extra ticket man mami ko Spain.
Wow.
So why will you come and say back say guy no and offense ufa Uber? What?
Na papa Sam patro nyo bi ni never one no expect so one no.
Dabio fine but why will you go to the end?
Mami
so uko
me ba to me bra wati awon mu bije
uko eko ka asasemu asema uko eko kan no o public you know news no ebia ade na ntesa ebia wako ka asem bia nte meanwhile so unu say cars na wo fie ono udi wo bi mu what you say cars na wo fie ono udi wo bi mu most of all of the omadi na wo udi susu wo. So why will you public I do the and yes me dey nsem bi betudwa sa friends Osibo no omo kana Osibo would you know Osibo lifestyle Osibo opamu na yiri oba no na wo ye no oba no nyim omo ti adwasafo let me tell you o ti adwasafo kwa benya adwasafo ale
DJ one Sunday request to how
to oni me Osibo dey enkrofo. So why will you come and then be man say me pese ade we say me pese enye no ano no enti ase ba ko ade ba ye just ade kitikiti bi be man say o menko say enye enti ase ba ko no menko ha we ye metanfo we ni me ham menko ha wo so to be catch be man say we on me nka oba no be man so twe ne ho firi ho because e bia ono so ko ye oni nipa ne ko ye fine na abekutia o anu rani that issue ni ani asem mienu pepe. Well,
na me Mr. Samuel o fie wa we lawyer idie na me busa say Florence obi nim or car or drive me pa cho
Florence obi nim car say Florence so nim car I would doubt e be me hwanwa because even let me tell you something kiss no baby omo let me tell omo baby omo dey omo kiss gu cars na kiss gu be obi nim never reject. Even if you want when obi kwa wo pe car as on the year discuss before answer omo the car mobi. So why will you come and stand in the public say unika alpha Uber? Omo you so first say G-Wagon. Me G-Wagon I know G-Wagon bro a white color. Is it Forest name?
More Range Rover ni ade. Me coffee o me timi fa fie o animu.
G-Wagon. Is it Forest name? So why will you come and sit down and talk and disgrace Nipanasa?
Money.
So Opa, go and cross check. People, my advice is that you shouldn't bring a lot of things out. So they be too jaw. What for instance, in some of the kind na be I'm telling a man of family to jasa. Because you may be ha, they man the umini idea there, or she forget about it, then yefi. No fun and into some kwala name. Bon, because say all the papers in the batch, one of the Codivia, go and check one cross check. One of the partner womb. So why will you come and disgrace the man like the guy like this? So why ya didn't want phone qua? Fanny say, I dare you, according to Florence, the end ya say, okay, say, oh, wow, man, I'm see Florence, and no dear, Boaka, and no nay, there any ya. There's a what's over Cassama, any and chip, I'm a man for. Oh, we are telling Florence, I some okay, one can ye. Uko interview akoya one can ye. Interview akoya say first uni ufa Uber. Forest it ufa Uber. Obi ni beja yourself a Uber.
For the
Spain in Spain you have how many cars na Spain? Spain car in Spain. If you toma Spain na one at of you Spain. So why will you come and lie and disgrace the panini masses are? Me ba Spain you won't chana me die. And then baby no pay home me die. then fear wow. To call president and say me a friend say unya be man na esi ama wo unya be man na esi ama. So why will you come and then disgrace the guy like in Kuala school omko nyina e fa no mko school. How many have school fees are no mutua? So why will you come? School so much was Spain. You can't calculate it na here. So why will you come and disgrace the guy like that? When you maybe obi wo ha oni ma on no omo unless me tie obi comment or another thing no mo go obi ni masepoto because I almost say they call them illegal so enti omo go guy dem say hey enti me twede na say me nya tara me preference Florence ko no ko tie TikTok no so de omo ka gu kunu ni mase na ba hwe ni ya Yankopon wan hwe on fa nchew. Because
Mr. Samuel, me pacho, send you number, mama. Me no be dim come out back door, Mr.
Okay, no problem.
Yo, me say.
You may do how more. So be me be ya dear. I think because can be face them face one. Our divorce and I say mana omuno mukunya tokwaye. Be man ya dear bia be man ya bia man we are not that. I think it be say obe condemn be man A to Z. But you should praise the guy. So the guy have fought for you, stand for you. Even any seminar na me betu dwa. Say me sama me bien sem be kire you will see say the guy has suffered. Obinim has suffered a lot. Any sem ye be mo. Me bien sem kire wa the guy has suffered a lot. And me sem ye be mo. Let me give a me nyima to dwa. E man na wo nya be ji. Ade bi wanya anu ne kasa the facts and the evidence ne de kasa. Well, so you're talking about the strength in the way. I know people a lot of things about a lot of things. Who say plastic charging now? The guy condemn it. Who advised you to go and do that? One advice was a corner sadly. God got us some pet. Who did you surgery now? Who got trouble trauma more spend what that surgery now? Who spend the money to save your life? So why will you come and then disgrace the guy like that? Say Ufa Uba. I tell me say for the 2 days time, my friends and Saturday will be meeting me. But say me catch the person. I tell why you know. Yeah. Because what we good guy in any mercy, our condemning guy in the pound. Yeah. Because who knew what you pass through? Me no him dia o fam was Spain. Why in the West Coast there Boko Tofi was Spain? One let's take Ghana for don't do a hand pan it be Tofi was Spain. Or no for a bit you have they bought the name, they bought the house in your name. It was Spain. So what other now born any master sir?
Oh.
But you mama friended you. Mama said
I thought that was Spain. I'm oba no nimpa kra, onimpa ebu so order keteso.
Team leader for any nyina including one maami akwasi asa one apart from that the room be fear or toma and mano. One manya sa de ni bi. Wasibona Florence de ne kwabo no wasibona twaba no wadi awati akada. Wasibona tinya for Ghana.
Was send no mama me wie no abekasa me so send no mama me pa.
Abusia lawyer Samuel nsem ya wo kan ye e de fa Florence bi ni nsem wo no so ba bonten bi gu ho no. Eno na yakwakwoti e de abana ne Ghana for e kan ene se enye ne waye papa ana ne waye boni e na Ghana for ehwehwe ne mmom no pepepe ye se bekoso e na Ghana for chese wo mo hwehwe sempeni for kwa se bebi ade ne da no se wan fa nto ho a efrito e na se ne esenso e na wo se ese enti the fact say we ye be ma na waware mu nti na ne wo se uye bia na wo de ye wo yire because we ye be menti eno no de Ghana for chese de bi e na Ghana for so chese sa wo yo so wo yo be nti na so ti aware mu nti na ne enwo sa wo de mini bia no na wo so o de na mini ne mu bia enhwe se pepepe ye no ebetimi akoso e wa aware ne se fata oba wo benya ne se fata be ma wo benya na se ne ensam no e kono Ghana se anhwe yi a 31st December endru no na Bishop Dan Okojo obi ni ne 31st all night obe no aje se woni ne ma ne pe en na so fo nketo na ebia won be ye e wo compound ne se Ghana for say asori ne de ne fakum no e ne Florence obi ni ebusia message say won so be jawa dwenche e wo comment section ho e de ama me all the social media handles no e too much gh or subscribe like no share na for so be dia hwe makra